0 centimeters, 6.5 inch, 1080x, FHD Plus, and 407 ppi. It comes with 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery. It has 64 MP plus 12 MP plus 5 MP plus 5 MP quad camera setup, 64 MP, f1.8, and main camera plus 8 MP, f2.2. It runs on Android 11 and v11.0 operating system. The phone also has FHD Plus resolution. It has ultra-wide camera 123, f2.4, and depth camera plus 5 MP, 2.4. It also features 64 MP plus 12 MP plus 8 MP plus 5 MP. It has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory, dual SIM, nano+nano. Expandable memory up to 1 TB and it supports dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It is powered by 2x2.3 GHz plus 6x 1.8 GHz and octa-core processor.